Hey, folks, and welcome to week 2 of online AP Stats. I hope your first week was a good one and you felt like you were being productive and getting a nice start to our course. In this video, I just want to talk about your game plan for week 2. Again, hopefully, you have accomplished all of the first day and second day's work. If not, please get that done ASAP. Looking at the deadlines, I'm actually going to go into chapter 1. You're going to have 2 deadlines per chapter, and they're going to be posted in a couple different spots. If I scroll down here, you'll see your first deadline, which I call the mid-chapter deadline, is going to be right here on September 18th by 8 a.m. in the morning. What it says here is you have to have all the work done up into this date, including the chapter 1 mid-free response. So if you take a look at that, it'll be this mid-chapter 1 free response and all of the work before that. So that is your deadline for that first half. The second half, if we scroll down, you'll see the end of chapter deadline is actually going to be the same as your testing deadline date. That is Thursday, September 21st. The remaining chapter work must be done, including taking your exam. This exam, by the way, you're going to notice for win time on the 21st, we have 3 sessions. You have been locked into 2 of those 3. You are going to need 2 sessions. Chapter 1 is an important topic. It is a 2-part test. It's part multiple choice and part free response. And an hour is definitely the time you will need for that. So just kind of keeping that in mind why you see you're being locked in for 2 sessions. Another way you can take a look at this is if you go to the calendar, kind of get a quick sneak peek. If you look this way, kind of like it this way here, you will clearly see the deadlines are marked. Again, there is the mid-chapter deadline on the 18th, and then our end of chapter deadline is going to be here on the 21st. You're going to notice on the 22nd, I'm calling this a take your day off. You are more than welcome to start chapter 2 after you take your chapter 1 test, but if you like to give yourself a little bit of a rest time, you are more than welcome to really do nothing for the lesson on that day. If you have questions as you're doing your learning, remember you're more than welcome to swing by my room, C205, or shoot me an email at landonn@277apps.org. So here's to wrapping up week 1 and to a great start to week 2. Have a good one.